Hello everyone, my name is Shivani Gunjal. So currently I have done my bachelor degree from Sandeep Institute of Technology and Research Center, Nashik. So before 2 months I have joined at QSpiders Wakad. So my experience at QSpiders Wakad is exceptional. So how I am saying exceptional because whatever training they have given to me, that was so good. The training was well structured. Whatever the data they having or whatever the things they are having, they are in effective manner. So first my batch is for SQL. So Colin sir taught us the SQL. So all the concept of SQL they clear very well, so that I can solve any query anytime. And about the mock and presentation, I have done so many mocks. So in mocks, they providing like feedback or other our seniors give us a feedback. So from that